Hello guys, welcome to English Mantra and I am Harpreet Randhawa with you. As I told you yesterday that we will do some basic things about grammar in our grammar class, which is really very important while we are talking about speaking, listening, writing or reading, or while we are communicating with one another. So these things are really very important and one of them is personal pronouns. So here we are and we will do it today. आपके साथ थोड़ी मैं हिंदी लैंग्वेज भी यूज़ करूँगी ताकि आपको इजीली अंडरस्टैंड हो जाए. तो चलिए हम अपनी क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. सो मैं लिखने जा रही हूँ कि कौन कौन से पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस हैं जो अपनी डेली लाइफ में और ग्रामर में हम यूज़ करते हैं. सो वॉच इट. फर्स्ट इज आई, वी, यू, they, his, her, it, your, their, mine and much more. अब इन पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस को जैसे जैसे हम यूज़ करेंगे तो आई विल मेक सम सेंटेंसेस फॉर यू and that will definitely make some easy sentences for you which will help you more to understand. So if we talk about first person, there are three types of person in personal pronouns. Second person as well third person. Now first person, second person and third person are also divided in two parts, that is singular and plural. It is really very important to understand that which person is first person, second person and third person. Now I am going to give you the definition of these three. So let's get it into our mind and use it in sentences. So here we go. If we talk about first person, the person who is a speaker. For example, I. And we. Now we will talk about second person. The person who is listening to the first person. For example, you. Now these are first person and second person with examples. And The last one is our third person about whom we are talking. For example, he, she, it, or any name. So these are basically our three persons. Now we talk about the singular and plural condition of these persons, and let's we talk. Here we will talk about the singular as well plural. In singular, the first person include I, and in plural, the first person include we. Now, if we talk about the second person, in singular, it only include you, and in plural, your or yours. Okay. Now we are talking about the third one. In singular, we basically use he, she, it, they. And if we talk about the plural form of third person, that is his, her, its, and them. So these are basically the personal pronouns. Now we will practice some sentences by which you can understand this rule and regulation in an easy way. So let's start with the examples. If I talk about the first person, the rule is we have to use I and we. So we will make a sentence formation of this. Like I can say, I am going to the market would you like to join me and ask her also to join us. So this is basically a complex sentence for you, which include different personal pronouns like first person, second person, as well as third person. So basically, I is your first person. I am going to the market because I am talking about myself. But who is listening to me? Would you like to join me? You is second person, and we both are trying to get the third person also with us to join us, and I am saying and ask her also to join me. So here her is the third person. First person, second person, third person. Basically we are talking about the first person in this sentence. So this is our first person, that is I. Now we will talk about second person with an easy sentence. As I told you that it basically includes you, your and yours. So make a sentence. Are you going to the market with your friends? You is second person, your is second person, because the first person is asking to the second person, are you going to the market with your friends? So you and your is the second person who is listening to the first person. Now we will talk about the third person. It basically includes he, she, his, her, it, its, they, them. So make a sentence with these third person pronouns. Will you like to join the classes? Ask her also to join it. So this is a sentence which is really very perfect for the third person. Will you like to join the classes? The first person is asking to the second person that will you like to join the classes? And when they both are talking about the third one, the sentence is ask her also to join it, because we are talking about the third person, her. So these are personal pronouns. If you have any type of doubts, you can comment in the commenting box, and we will definitely try to take your doubt session, and we will clear it very soon. So thanks for this class, and please take the classes with a keen interest. It will definitely help you to score good marks in English while you are talking about the grammar or language, because such things are very useful in the grammar classes. So meet you tomorrow with English Mantra, and have a nice day. Thank you.